Welcome, learners. In today's lesson, we are going to look at a rhizophus, a very important topic in biology and the nutrition of plants. And the question says, the figure below shows a rhizophus. We've got labeled structure labeled A, B, and C here. And of course, others they are indicated as well. Then it says, identify the parts labeled A and B. It also says state the functions of the parts labeled C, and further it says explain how the organism obtains its food. Lastly, it says name two important roles played by the fungi in nature. So as previously tutor, let's jump into the question. So a rhizopus has got that structure, and the structure labeled A, all right, the structure labeled A is called the splangia, and the structure labeled B, this one here, is called the splangiophore or the splangiophore. It's just the same. So A is the splangia, others they call it the splangium, while B is the splangophore. Or pore. Pronunciation doesn't matter. What matters is the spelling. Eh? All right, then B says state the functions of the part labeled C. Where this one here is C. Now this. But what is C in the first place? C is what we call the rhizoid. These tips, eh? These tips are what we call the rhizoids. Wow, this thing which is running like this is called the stolon. So these that are found, these to my tips, like where I'm pointing here, right? These are the tips. It's called the rhizoid. And the function of the rhizoid is to do what? To secrete the enzyme, and it also absorbs digested food nutrients. So C, number one, it secretes the enzyme, secretes the enzymes, and it absorbs digested food nutrients. It's making sense, right? Right. Now, next question. Explain how the organism obtains its food. Now, how does this organism called the rhizopus obtain its food? So follow me. So the rhizopus okay, feeds on dead and decaying matter. I'm going straight to the point. I'm not telling stories. That's what biology requires you to do. All right, full stop. It says explain. What else can I say? Yes, I know that yes, it feeds on dead and decaying matter, but how? The question is how. All right, it does this. So it secretes digestive enzymes. It secretes digestive enzymes, right, into the substrate. The substrate, it is what it is digesting or it is feeding on, so it will secrete the enzyme to go on that dead and decaying matter. Once that enzyme finds itself on the matter, what happens that it gets digested. Now into the substrate externally, this occurs in an external way. These are extracellular enzymes. They are not intracellular enzymes, but they are extra because they are secreted outside the substrate. All right, full stop. Then it absorbs. So after that, then it absorbs the end products. All right, The end product absorbs the end product. End product of digestion. All right, through the rhizoid. In this case, it's our structure C. That's what happens here. That's how it feeds. Nothing more. Then they are saying, name two importances or important laws played by the fungi in nature. Now, fungi, even this rhizophus is part of the fungi kingdom. So, phyla. So, some of the roles of a fungi in nature is they are used to decompose matter. So, decomposing of matter. Decomposing of matter. Nivene in terms of that duty. Okay? Well, some of them they are used in baking and brewing. So they are also used in baking and brewing. For example, some of you, the one you call yeast. Yeast is a fungi. Well, they are also used in production. In production of medicines like antibiotics. Antibiotics. So I can list, the list is endless. I've just decided to give you 3, and even when I know that they asked for 2 only. So ladies and gentlemen, as you are studying biology, don't just read, but get the concept, what they're trying to talk about. Know how to label the diagrams, know how to draw the diagram, know the functions of each diagram and the application of that topic in real life. So thank you so much for joining me. It's PVS the tutor, and online classes are in progress. You can start anytime. We are very much available for you. Very affordable. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok and on Facebook. I'll see you in another video.